check out this latest elegant fascinator that I'm going to use for the wedding coming this weekend. Guys, have you seen something like this before? Hello fams, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time. Hope you all are doing great. So good to have you back. Okay, so look at this fascinator. Is it not beautiful? Come, let me show you how I made it. As usual, I molded my fascinators. I used cinnamon and some princess mats to make them. You know that I don't have mold. I usually use my cover of pots. So I use two different cover of pots. And I am using this skirt. You can see that I still have the label. I just saw the little baby skirt and I was like, this thing will be nice, especially the down part. So I got it. And that's what I'm going to use. So I molded it already, it's dried. I actually use my oven to dry because it's winter here, there is no sun. So I'm just pulling out the pegs right now. And as you can see, the cover of the pot, sorry, the lid of the pot. So I got this other fabric that I will use to cover it like this. So remember that this little baby skirt has a little trouser inside, so I thought of using it. I was like, okay, no, let me just use only the down part. So I just took the net in the down part of the skirt to cover up the cinnamon like this. I just added my glue. It's looking beautiful already. Okay, so I proceeded to the second part. I decided to use two different parts because I want it to give me the shape. One is a little bit curvy and the other is flat. So this is exactly how I wanted it. So and this one that is curvy, I made sure that I wrap both sides of it, okay? Because both sides will actually be showing. Thereafter, I just stitched the crown to the brim, joining them together. As you can see, just watch the video and you will understand exactly what I did. So I'm just going to cut off this centerpiece right now. I already did, so I used my bias to cover the rough edges as usual and as always. I hope you guys have not forgotten about fascinator, right? So I thought of the embellishment. What should I use? I really lack words to say what I would like to use. So I just went ahead. I took some of the princess mat and I just pulled off the thread, the weaving part of it to give me this kind of fluffy edges or rough edges. You see these ruffles? That's exactly what I wanted. This one was a little bit too long, so I had to trim off a little bit and I just attached them like this. Guys, it's really looking beautiful at the comfort of my home. I actually have everything at home. That's why I didn't bother to buy any embellishments. I just added some of my candle glue and added it like this. You can see I also went ahead to bead it. Guys, is it not looking beautiful? Oh my god, this is amazing. I love it. Just look at the lacy part of it. It's been a while, really. I've not made some fascinator in a very long while. So, though it's already in the blood. So I just went ahead to use this bias to cover up the place or the edge where I joined the brim to the crown or the crown to the brim. You can see it right. Let me zoom so you can see. So this is exactly what I did, and it just gave it that kind of ruffle, like a nice look. Let me put it on so you can see. Check it out now. Is this not beautiful? Just look at the fitting. Just check it out. Check it out. Check it out. This is amazing. Guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Help us to share this video. Share so that a lot of persons can see. I really miss you guys. I miss you guys. I miss you guys. This was before I added that embellishment. Now that I added the embellishment, it just came out so nice. Please share this video, okay? I love you. Stay tuned for more creative videos. I hope that from now on, I'm going to be doing more. It's because of work. I didn't just want to abandon you guys. Because of work. Work does not allow me to make fascinators. And the country where I am, people hardly use fascinators. So that's why I find it difficult to make fascinators these days. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Bye.